Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best microSD card available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting with our first pick, SanDisk microSD card. The SanDisk microSD card is an excellent storage expansion solution for users who need reliable, high-capacity memory for Android smartphones, tablets, Chromebooks, and Windows laptops. With capacities reaching up to 1.5 terabytes, it provides ample space for storing extensive collections of movies, TV shows, photos, music, and full HD videos without constantly worrying about running out of storage. Its impressive read speeds of up to 150 megabytes per second enable quick file transfers, reducing wait times when moving large media libraries or important documents. The card also enhances device performance by supporting faster app loading, making everyday tasks feel smoother and more responsive. Whether you're recording full HD videos, carrying large workloads, or simply expanding your device's storage, this microSD card delivers a strong balance of speed, capacity, and reliability. For users seeking dependable long-term storage with excellent performance, it represents outstanding value and versatility. Next up, we have Lexer microSD card. This Lexer microSD card is a dependable and high-performance storage solution designed for smartphones, tablets, drones, and action cameras. With UHSI technology delivering transfer speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second, it handles large files efficiently, making photo transfers, video backups, and media management quick and hassle-free. Its support for Full HD, 3D, and 4K UHD video recording ensures smooth capture and playback, making it ideal for content creators and everyday users alike. The A1 performance rating helps apps load faster, improving overall device responsiveness and user experience. Available in capacities from 32 GB to 512 GB, it offers flexible storage options to suit different needs, whether you're storing thousands of photos, hours of high-resolution video, or an extensive music library. Combining solid speed, broad compatibility, and reliable performance, this microSD card delivers excellent value for users seeking dependable expandable storage for both work and entertainment. Coming in at number 3, Speederlash microSD card. This microSD card delivers a strong combination of speed, reliability, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for users who need dependable storage across multiple devices. Powered by UHSI technology, it offers read speeds of up to 90 megabytes per second and A1 rated performance, allowing apps to load faster while ensuring smooth HD video recording and efficient file transfers. Its broad compatibility is a major advantage, working seamlessly with smartphones, tablets, laptops, drones, action cameras, Nintendo Switch consoles, and surveillance systems, while the included SD adapter expands its usability even further. Built to withstand challenging environments, the card features waterproof, shockproof, X-ray-proof, temperature-resistant, and magnetic-resistant protection, providing peace of mind for outdoor adventures and critical data storage. Available in capacities from 32 GB to 512 GB, it accommodates everything from photos and videos to games and apps, making it a practical and durable storage solution for everyday and professional use. Now at number 14, Group microSD card. This memory card stands out for its exceptional durability and reliability, making it an excellent choice for users who frequently operate in challenging environments. Engineered with 4 layers of protection, waterproof, dustproof, X-ray-proof, and cold-resistant, it is designed to safeguard valuable data against harsh conditions that could damage ordinary storage devices. Whether used in outdoor photography, travel, surveillance systems, action cameras, or everyday mobile devices, it provides dependable performance and peace of mind. Beyond its rugged construction, the card also reflects a commitment to sustainability through the adoption of advanced eco-friendly printing technology, reducing environmental impact without compromising quality. Its robust design ensures long-term data security while maintaining compatibility with a wide range of devices. For users seeking a storage solution that prioritizes both durability and environmental responsibility, this memory card delivers a reliable balance of protection, performance, and thoughtful engineering. And finally, our last pick, PNY microSD card. This PNY microSD card is an impressive storage solution built for users who demand both speed and efficiency. Delivering read speeds of up to 150 megabytes per second when paired with the PNY Performance Prime microSD card reader, it significantly reduces transfer times for large files, making it ideal for photographers, videographers, gamers, and content creators. Its high-speed performance enables smooth recording and rapid movement of videos, photos, music, and other data between compatible devices and computers, helping streamline editing and backup workflows. The A2 app performance rating is a standout feature, allowing apps to run directly from the card with faster launch times and improved responsiveness through enhanced read and write IOPS performance. Designed to work seamlessly with the latest generation of smartphones, tablets, cameras, and other microSD-enabled devices, this card combines speed, reliability, and versatility, making it a dependable choice for both everyday storage and professional-level content management. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.